Want to keep your Apple Watch screen on all the time? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable the always-on display feature so your watch stays visible when you need it most. But before we explain the process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, start by tapping the digital crown to go to the home screen of your Apple Watch. Next, find and open the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon. Scroll down until you see Display and Brightness and tap on it. Inside the Display and Brightness menu, scroll again until you find the Always On option. Tap on it and then toggle on Always On Display. That's it. Your Apple Watch screen will now stay on at all times, making it easier to check the time, notifications, and more. No wrist raising needed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. See you soon in our next video.